Alright everybody, I picked this up from Cult TV Man, pre-ordered it. It came in on Saturday, January 21st. I was going to do a review on this yesterday, Monday the 23rd. Today's Tuesday the 24th. Just didn't have time yesterday, so I'm going to do it today and post this up on my YouTube channel. It's very cool. 1/35th scale Cyclops. It's from X Plus. Very cool. I like the artwork. Looks really cool. So I'm going to go ahead, pause this, open it up, and we'll take a look at the Cyclops. I'll be right back. Alright, back on the Cyclops. I got it up on my display case. Give everybody a close look. There's the legs right there. And you can see here, there's going to be some seam work to do, but there's a lot of detail. Looks pretty cool. So cleaning up the legs probably won't be that hard to do with some putty. And then I have one here apart. You can see here. Here's the base. Looks really cool. Got the club right here. And these are parts of the Cyclops. Very cool. A lot of detail. Looks pretty cool. Back side of the Cyclops. His arms. Put that down and get a better look this way. Got some claws right there. Very cool. Not a lot to the kit. Got two trees right here. You get two figures. You get a skeleton and you see right here is that one figure here. There's the skeleton. Very cool. Other small parts. Very cool. And you get the Cyclops right here. It's pretty cool. You get the cage. Very cool. That's about that's everything you get in the kit. Pretty cool. I may enter this in the HobbyLink International 2023 Halloween group build. I did look at this yesterday, and it's saying going with the artwork on the front of the box for painting. But a lot of people have built similar kits to this online, so I'm going to see what colors they used. And let me go ahead and pause. Here's the instructions right here. Let me pause and we'll look at the instructions. I'll be right back. Alright, back on the instructions. Just the front of it, which I showed. And just what the box art looks like. Flip it over. Figure 1. It shows you how to assemble the Cyclops. Figure 2 is the cage. The figure here, and then the skeleton, which is cool. And then up here shows you the Cyclops. The cage, the club, the base. Like I said, not a lot to this. On the flip side here, you can see the kit when it's finished. There's the front view. Looks really cool. Back view. And I'm sure Cult TV Man has this still available on his website if you're interested in getting this kit. Don't seem to be a lot to get this together. Some seam work to work on with some putty, but overall it's a cool kit. So I'm going to go ahead and call this a wrap on the Cyclops. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Be safe out there, and I'll talk with everybody later.